Hey, cell phone shops, repair shops, join my webinar on Monday, September 15th to talk about Simple Mobile, the value of Simple Mobile, how to upsell, the residual, the spiff. So much money to be made selling prepaid, and this is the time. If you want to join the prepaid revolution, click the link, join my call. We'll talk about everything. Get your questions ready, how to sell, where to sell, how to approach, what to do. Any questions you have, I'm here to answer your questions. I made a lot of money selling prepaid in my retail days, and I want to show you that you can make tons of money selling and helping and saving everybody. And you are delivering a very good message, strong message, savings. It's tough times now for the American family, and it's time for you to give them more. Let's talk about how to roam up to 140 countries with the Simple Mobile nowadays. You can call up to 200 destinations, 200, unlimited calling. Guys, this is a lot of value. Join the call, join the webinar, have questions, any questions you have, anything you want to know about the phones, about the spiff, about the residual, about whatever, the network. Let's talk about how strong Verizon network that you guys will be working on, Simple Mobile on Verizon network. It's your time to shine and grow and help your customers. Thank you so much for watching this. I will be looking forward to see you. Click the link, register, 2 o'clock Central Time on Monday, September 15th. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Take care.
Unlimited prepaid distribution, your #1 prepaid wireless master agent and phone distributor.